Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Bluetooth transmitter based on the KCX-BT transceiver module that I bought on AliExpress. Firstly, I clamped the boost converter module onto my helping hands. This boost converter accepts an input voltage from 1 to 5 volts. Desolder the female USB connector on the boost converter module with a hot air gun at a temperature of 360 degrees Celsius. You can skip this step if you buy the module without the female USB connector. I'll solder power wires on the output of the boost converter. As you can see, I have soldered a small lithium-ion battery onto the TP4056 battery charger module. I have swapped the default 1.2 kΩ resistor with a 10 kΩ resistor to limit the charging current of the battery, and then soldered my battery onto it off camera. Solder one end of a black wire to the negative terminal of the battery. Solder a shorter red wire to the positive terminal of the battery. Solder the other end of the black wire to the negative input terminal of the boost converter module. Take another short piece of red wire and solder one end onto the positive input terminal of the boost converter module. Strip the ends of the red wire and connect them to close the circuit and power on the boost converter module. It powered on. As you can see, I have pre-soldered power wires and wires from a 3-pole 3.5mm audio jack onto the Bluetooth module off camera. I connected the power wires from the Bluetooth module to the 5-volt output of the boost converter, and it powers on. I tested the Bluetooth module off camera before putting everything together. Now, it's time to put everything together in a plastic case. I have wired an additional voltmeter to show the battery voltage the moment it turns on. To pair the Bluetooth module with the speaker, power on the speaker, ensure it's in pairing mode, then hold the pair button on the Bluetooth module. Free music downloaded from the YouTube music library. Thank you for watching this video. I'll test by playing back some loyalty. I would greatly appreciate if you like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Goodbye.